Since its introduction into the Lagos State basic education system, the Eko Excel initiative has transformed the state's basic education sector. Through the initiative, teachers now teach with an Eko Excel tab using the curriculum and other teaching aids that allows for seamless classroom experience for both the teachers and the pupils, as well as providing administrators with a platform for instant assessment. To ensure the gains of the interventions are sustained, stakeholders convened this meeting to assess the level of performance, resolve challenges, and prepare for what lies ahead.
It's not just about Eko Excel, even though that is important, it's about Nigeria. This is the team that is going to go down in history as having done something significant in Lagos, something significant in education, something that will be remembered.
The chairman, Lagos State Universal Basic Education Board, Honorable Wahab Alawiye King, said the meeting would enable them plan for future events.
Resolve to meet from time to time, to assess ourselves, come into a round table like this, to do assessment of what we have done in the past, and to plan for future, event, and that is exactly what we are doing here.
On the path, the Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Education, Mrs. Abosede Adelaja, said the Eko Excel program has led to an improvement in the quality of basic education in the state.
We want to know whether we are going in the right direction. We want to know the next steps to take. We want to know whether is what's going ahead with. We want to know everything about the program just to be sure we are on course. And at the end of the day, our children are better, the quality of education has improved, and we'll be proud that our children can compete internationally.
One of the motives is improvement in the quality and performance of our teachers, improvements in the learning outcomes of our pupils, and also we have an upgrade in the teaching methodology of our teachers.
Eko Excel is an acronym for Excellence in Child Education and Learning, and it aims to drive excellence in learning for about 500,000 pupils across 1,016 primary schools in Lagos State.